Hey cuties. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Laura. We are going to be reorganizing. I am in desperate need of reorganizing my singles here. We did a really impromptu declutter in one of my recent videos, and I mentioned in there I needed to desperately rearrange. This is all of my singles now, and you can definitely see there are a ton of gaps in the collection now. So I went ahead, I wrote all of the shades I was working on in my BYOP on a sticky note so I could grab them out after we were done rearranging these. But I want to rearrange these. I have a little bit of time today, and I just wanted to bring you guys along for the journey of this. I might pop in here and there to just kind of like talk about what's going on. Subscribe if you like. Leave a comment if you like rearranging like singles videos like this. We can do them more often. I sometimes like to just rearrange these things throughout the year. But yeah, let's just jump into the little makeup clicky sounds now. I feel like it looks like I have a type of eyeshadow. There's like 3 or 4 different like color families in this, and it's almost silly to me. I am thinking of rearranging this in a similar way. I liked the rainbow. I liked the rainbow of it, but do I want to continue to have it in like rainbow order, or do I kind of just want to let's just see where things take us. The balance is going to be off on this. Let's stick that there for right now. Ooh, or do I want to have it this way this time? And like, that might be the move. Let's get these in frame. Yeah, these up here are the shades that I'm going to be focusing on right now, and I think I'm going to just be lining them in here. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's going to be like my first row done. Okay, cool. We're going to start cooking pretty quickly now, I feel like. These up here are going to be like the next batch. Do I want that in this? Maybe. Yeah, these guys up here that are a little out of focus, sorry, are going to be the next batch. Man, we're getting down to things. Ooh, I'm excited about this. Oh my gosh. All right, so it's going to be these guys next, and it's going to definitely need to be pulled into two different greens, I feel like. We have the more minty blue toned, and then the warmer, grassier, olivier kind of tones. We'll see what we can do here. I know some of these shades are a little out of sorts, this that I'm kind of putting in these places, namely this guy that's very clearly lighter toned, but it kind of bridges the gap, and that's kind of what I'm looking for, is just like for my singles palette to inspire me again, and I think doing this setup is going to drive more inspiration into my brain. How do I want this set up? I don't have like any blues left anymore. This is, oh, so liberating. Oh, I feel so good. Yeah, I think that's going to be like my last row, and then this is going to be this row. Cool. I don't know how many shades are in each row. I'm going to calculate that afterwards. I could do it now. 2, 4, 6, 11. There's 11 per row. So I'm definitely going to need to pull more for this. I'll need one more. Ooh, we'll just put maybe a blending shade in. Yeah. I'm enjoying sprinkling in my neutrals every little so often. Don't have too many, actually, neutral singles, which is nice because I have them plenty in palettes. need one more single and then it would be like the perfect amount. But that is a-okay with me to not have that filled. It's going to drive me a little bit bananas, but I can put, like, I can press something in a round pan and put it in here, no problem. And that's probably what I'm going to do. But thank you guys so much for watching my new rearrangement for my singles. And this is what we're going to do. I'm going to actually mark this up and write down like the numbers down this way and the letters this way. So that way when I'm sorting out my singles, I can know where things go. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are staying healthy, sane, and safe. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye.